Maganda.
Maganda! Masipag!
Hawak ng pera nyo.
Oy!
Announcement!
Announcement! Monday, we have a meeting. October 17, 2011. In front of Beato, 9 a.m. sharp. Oy!
Okay, so ano mga plano nyo? Kung wala pa kayo superhero, shut up. Wala pa kayo.
Final meeting will be on
So,
Monday.
dapat by Monday, meron na kayo superhero kasi, yun nga, may costume tayo, diba? Tsaka kung gusto niyo ng help, kung gusto niyo ng help for your costume, ayun, dapat kailangan niyo na ng costume talaga. Ayan. So, thank you kay the HM Karaoke MC for our instrumental
What's up?
background of Jetlag by Simple Band. Ay, may band
so-
kami! May
so-
band kami!
So, mamaya na. So,
Rock
once
band.
again, we have a
May
meeting
band kami, rock band.
on Monday, October 17, 9 a.m. in front of Beato Pubs. Okay! See you there! Ako hindi umaten! Bakit? Okay!
Ayun!
Bakit? Kamukha ni Mayat!
Mag-GM.
Magkakolek ako, magkakolek ng
Collect ng money.
20 pesos.
20 pesos yung pinaka mababa. Okay, bawal piso.
Sabi ni
Para saan yun?
For
Para
secret!
saan yun? Okay.
Jeje
Anyways,
Moon?
guys, kailangan din ng support nyo for our Marian Army.
Ayan.
Sipan! Representative natin siya, so we need to support her and we need Chaching to make her
Money.
costume and stuff and props for whatever.
Do our
okay?
best because this is a contest.
Yeah.
So, kaya na to.
Yeah.
10,000 daw at stake.
Oh, tapos may libre tayo. Yellow cup tayo.
O, yellow cup daw. Narinig mo yun.
Eh, may announcement si Hana.
Yes, sir.
Lapit ka dito.
Ano sabihin ko?
Mag-anong
Chachi.
Chachi.
Nagkakalikot
Ayan,
ka ba?
ayan, call me Chachi
Shot
always,
pala,
okay?
Flavita.
I'm Chachi.
Tsaka.
Pick up, lip lip.
Tapos
Boy, pick up. Boy, pick up.
mag-search kayo sa Facebook,
Boy
ay sa
Pick
Facebook, sa YouTube, si Boy Pick Up, ito siya.
Ito siya.
Yan. Kenny
Yo.
Kenny.
Jajamon.
Sample nga, sample!
Ayan, may sample tayo. Wait lang, sandali ah.
Ay,
Yan.
hindi na natapos yan ah.
Ayan, ito.
Tama na! Okay! Sample.
Bye! Ayan na. That's all, people. Bye!
See you on Monday!
5, 4,
Posing,
Three,
posing. 1, 2, 3,
two,
picture.
Ay, naku, inarang.